Let me walk you through a real data extraction from kotak.bank.in to scrape credit card offers quickly using Minexa.ai, all in just a few clicks or an API call. Here I am opening the page that already has the data loaded. From here, just click the extension icon in the toolbar. With Minexa open, press I'm on the right page, so Minexa can analyze the page and detect the credit card offers list. The analysis is complete. Minexa knows exactly where the data is on this credit card offers page. Scrape just the list, or also pull each results detail page as needed. Standard pages use Continue, Advanced if a form, filter, or button needs clicking before results appear. Minexa highlighted your data automatically. Click Create Scraper, and it learns what to extract forever. Minexa found everything on the page, even things you would not have known to ask for, like card names, interest rates, rewards, and eligibility details. If you are a developer, click API Request and get Python code with retries and proxy rotation already built in. Hit the violet button to finalize the setup and save the scraper. Pagination detected and locked in, no manual setup needed. If none applies, simply continue. Final screen. Set a frequency here if you want Minexa to rerun this automatically, then complete setup. Just click Run, and the job is live. When the scraping finishes, you see clean rows with multiple credit card offers and benefits, including card names, fees, rewards, and eligibility criteria. Missing data is left blank, never guessed, keeping your dataset fully trustworthy and ready for use without manual checks. Click Export to download the data, one row per item, every field in its own column for easy analysis or integration. No code, no technical knowledge, no LLM token costs. Minexa works for anyone who needs data from the web and scales to any volume developers need.